Roy Thompson was credited with saying that news was the stuff that went between the ads. In fact, in a newspaper like the South Wales Echo, the two things remain interdependent. The journalism is what is supposed to persuade people to read the advertisements as well. The competition in both areas insists on change in newspapers. This method of setting up a page of the Echo may not look particularly revolutionary, but it represents the direction of modernisation that's coming, still slowly, throughout the industry. The raw material, the editorial copy and the advertisements are processed through a computer. A photographic system has replaced the metal type which, until a few years ago, was the long-established way of printing a newspaper. The next stage of the printing process has also been transformed. Until relatively recently, the completed page, set in type, would be made into a heavy metal plate. Now photography has been introduced at this stage too, and the page which has been laid out next door is now turned into a plate made from polymer. The image has to be reversed to be printed in the traditional way on the paper's presses, but this still represents the most substantial change in technology since newspapers began. The change, though, is only a beginning, but Howard Green, managing director of the Western Mail and Echo, is proud at least that the provincial press has introduced new methods ahead of Fleet Street.